Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 14, Hanumat Varnit Ram Vrittant, means the news regarding Rama narrated by Hanuman. It's a poetry. In a Sanskrit literature, Valmiki is considered the Adi Kavi. The Anushtup matters a special kind of a matter of a four-pada which has been used and it's still in use in a great measure in Sanskrit literature, is believed to have been invented by Valmiki. As the Ramayana was composed by him, it is called Adi Kavya, and he was Rishi. It is also called Adi Arus Kavya. The Ramayana has 7 kandas, means chapters. The first kanda is a Adi Kanda and the last Uttar Khanda. It is estimated that there are a total 24,000 slokas in a Ramayana, and hence it is also called Chaturvishanti Sahasri Sahinta. In the ancient time, when all the books were written by hand, the Ramayana too has been written in manuscripts. Collecting many such as a manuscript from the India and abroad, Department of Ideology, MS University has prepared a free from a fault edited version. The following verse have been taken from the Sundarkand of Ramayana. Hanuman goes to Lanka and meets Sita in Asok Vatika in order to convince Sita that he really is a messenger of Rama. He shows her Rama's ring and also narrate in a short the major event of Rama's life so far. During this, he also described Rama's quality. We should remember that these qualities have made Rama great, and if we are able to imbibe those qualities, we too can become a great. This is what we have to learn from this lesson. Let's start with our lesson. Our first slok is Raja Dashratho Nama Raghukul Vanjimana Punyashilo Mahakirti Rujurajasi Mahanyasa. Means Raghukul Vanjimana means having the chariots. Punyashila means a virtuous disposition. Mahakirtim means very famous. Rujurajasi Mahansayasa means honest, straight and upright. The translation of our first slok is there was a king by the name Dashratha who was very famous, straightforward, righteous, rich in glory and possessing chariots, elephants and horses. Our second slok is Tasya Putra Priyo Jayesth Stara Adhipati Bhanana Ramo Nama Visheshagyam Shrestha Sarva Dhanushyatam. Tasya Putro means his son. Priyo means very loving or likely. Jayesthastam means a elder son. Taradipanan means whose face is like the moon, means a Rama. Sarvadhanushtam means of all the archer, and Shrestha means a greatest. The translation of our slok is his eldest son Rama, who is dear to him, is the best among all the archers, who has excellent knowledge, whose face is like the moon. Our third slok is Rakshita swasya vrittasya swajanasyapi rakshitam rakshitam jivalokasyam dharmasyam cha parantapam. Rakshitam means protect. Swasya vrittasya means own behavior or conduct. Jivalokasya means the mortal of the world. Parantapa means whose annoys or schedules of enemies. Means the translation of our slok is Rama is the one who guard his own conduct, protect his own people, protect the earth, religion, and subdues his enemies. यहाँ पर हनुमान जी जब सीता से मिलने जाते हैं अशोक वाटिका में, तब सीता माता ये मानती नहीं है कि वो सचमुच में राम के दूत है या नहीं, तो वो राम के दूत है। उन्हें ये विश्वास दिलाने के लिए राम जी की जो अंगूठी है वो हनुमान जी सीता माता को देते हैं और राम जी का पूरा वृत्तांत उन्हें समझाते हैं। Our fourth श्लोक is तस्य सत्याभि संधस्यम वृद्धस्य वचनन्तात पितु सभार्यात् सह च भ्रात्रावीर प्रवजितो वनम। मीन्स सत्याभि संधस्य मीन्स one who is true in his words. वृद्धस्य पितु means old father, sabharya means with the wife, pravajitam means set out, or vachantat means by order. The translation of our sloka is he, the brave one, set out the forest along with his wife and brother by the order of his old father, who was true to his promise. Our fifth श्लोक is तेन तत्र महारण्ये मृगयां परिधावतां राक्षसा निहितां सुरा बहव काम रूपेण। तेन महारण्ये means in a great forest, काम रूपेण means राक्षसा or assuming form of desires, or nihita means killed. The translation of our slok is there is in the great forest while pursuing the animal to be hunted, he killed many brave demons who assumed form according to their desire. Our sixth slok is जनस्थानं वधं श्रुत्वा निहितोखरदूषणो ततस्तं महार्षप्यहत्या जानकी रावणेन तु। जनस्थानेन means killing, जनस्थान वधम means killing in a janasthan. खरदूषणो means the name of a demon's khar, and dushan nihito means killed. Tatastvam maharsha aphatya means they're kidnapped in anger. Janaki means Sita or daughter of King Janak. The translation of a slok is having heard about the killing in a Janasthana, the demons Khar and Dushans were killed by Rama. Then Sita, the daughter of King Janak, was kidnapped by Ravana in anger. वज्जयित्वा वने रामं मृगरूपेण मायया समार्गा मानस्तां देवी राम सीताम निंदिताम. Our seventh slok is Vane Mrugarupena. Vane means in the jungle. Mrugarupena means in the form of a deer. Rama means Lord Rama. Sitam Ninditam means Sita who was blameless. Margamana means searching. The translation of our slok is: on the other hand, Sita was kidnapped in anger by Ravan, having deceived Rama in the forest by the form of false deer, and Rama searching the blameless Sita. Our eighth slok is आससाद वने मित्रम सुग्रीव नाम वानरम तत स बालिनम हत्वाम रामम पर पुरंजयम. आससाद means reached. Parapuram Jayam means conquered the city of enemy, and Balina Hatva means killing Vali. The translation of our slok is: in this forest Rama reached a monkey called Sugriva as his friend, then having killed Vali. The ninth slok is Ayachcha kapirajasyam tu Sugrivaya mahatmane Sugriveena विसंदिष्टम हरण्य काम रूपेणम. महात्मने सुग्रीवाय means the great Sugriva. Kapiraja means the kingdom of monkey. Kapirajyam means the kingdom of monkey. Abhisandishta means instructed. Kama rupena means assuming from the desire. The translation of our slok is: then Rama gave away the kingdom of monkey to the great Sugriva as commanded and sent by Sugriva. The monkeys capable to assuming form at their will. Our 10th slok is Sampati Vachanacham Tayojanam Ayatam. Dikshu Sarvasu Tam Devi Vichintayavanta Sahasrayam Aham Sampati Vachanacha Tayojana Matayam means Sarvasu Dikshu means all directions, Sahasram means in the 1,000, Vichinvanta means searching, Asana means where, Sampati Vachana means by the order of Sampati, Satayojanam Ayatam. Satayojanam Ayatam means the 100 yojans. The translation of our slok is the monkeys, 1,000 in the number, were searching for that revered lady Sita in all the quarters by the word Sampati. I crossed this ocean having the length of 100 yojan. Our 11th slok is Tasya heto Vishalaksha Samudram Vegavana Plutam Viraragema Vuktam Sam Vacham Vanara Pungavam means Tasya heto means for the sake of her. Vishalaksha means of one who has broad eyes. Vanara Pungava means excellent among the monkeys. The translation of our slok is a swift monkey crossed the ocean for the sake of the broad-eyed lady means a Sita, and having spoken this word, Hanuman, the excellent among the monkeys, kept silent.